Digi-Key has become one of the main distributors for the electronics industry, shipping vast quantities of product from its enormous range of stock products to destinations all over the world from its headquarters in Thief River Falls, Minnesota, USA. But recent times have been very challenging for all distributors, so we asked Jim Ricciardelli from Digi-Key to tell us how the company has met these challenges.
Certainly this last 18 months have been very interesting for the electronic components industry overall. I'd say the biggest challenge is the imbalance between supply and demand. Digi-Key's been fortunate, three reasons. One, we're a private company. We always invest with the customer in mind first. So we've been well positioned with inventory. Two, our company culture. Our teams have stepped up, all hands on deck to strive to meet our customer commitments of same-day shipment. And the third one, of course, is we're a digital business. We're open 24/7, tech support, access our inventory. So we've been very fortunate during this time.
It all starts with the ordering system. Digi-Key, in fact, was one of the first major distributors to ditch its catalogue and go fully online for ordering. So we wonder, where are you now with this?
Yeah, so, as you know, we are a pioneer in the industry, and back in 1996, we went from the catalog to the e-commerce site. Over the last 25 years, we've gained tremendous momentum with our websites, our global websites, over 120 million visits a year to our global sites, over 1 billion page views. And, today we're much more than just a website, right? We're truly a digital business across the board. And this year we launched a world-class search engine, right? It provides engineers with much more flexibility as they're working with our parametric search. We've launched a marketplace platform that allows us to add more suppliers, more product categories in many different ways with different suppliers. It's been very, very successful. We launched this year a new service this month called My List. Engineers can now upload up to 1,000 parts and manage their list on Digi-Key. There's just so many things that we do from a digital perspective. It's all about self-service, automation, and the adoption during this work-from-home time has been huge. Engineers adopting some of these applications we've provided.
Online ordering and computer management generally opens up the way for very high levels of automation for product picking and shipping. How does the system actually work?
Well, there are days I think it's pretty magical. Our brand service commitment is same-day shipment, and we're processing, 25,000 orders a day. It's really amazing that we can what's done. So we call it doing 1,000 little things right, and we continuously automate and update all 1,000 little things. So it starts with search and selection, our parametric search. We've got global e-commerce capability, multiple languages, multiple currencies, order entry automated into pick and pack, and then all the automation that we have going on with that in our warehouse and our product distribution center. The interesting thing is the business is so complex, though, right? It's date codes, lot codes, break pack, cut tape. Cut tape is a big part of our business. This year we launched a new service to actually help engineers understand what they're ordering from us. So an example would be of some innovation we did this year. We have, you've seen this, cut tape, 200 capacitors on a piece of tape. We're very good at this. It's a big part of our business. Problem is, once this is received in, it looks like every other cut tape in the bin. So we actually developed, we had a smart group of engineers at Digi-Key develop some automated equipment that we can now do thousands and thousands of these a day, and it actually puts the customer reference number on it, the manufacturer reference number, the Digi-Key reference number, the sales order information, all on this little piece of cut tape. So there's so many little things that go on in this, and this is where Digi-Key is truly a digital business, automating all these little steps.
Digi-Key is renowned for its enormous inventory, So how many products are actually now stocked by the company?
Well, if you go to our website, you'll be able to access 12 million components for information. We actually have in stock 2.6 million components available to ship today. And of course, a lot of that's focused on NPI, new products coming out of the supplier factories.
All that stock needs to be housed somewhere. And I've heard about a new warehouse that Digi-Key is investing in. How is that going now?
Yeah, so, we like to use acronyms, so we call it the new PDC, Product Distribution Center. It's global, of course. We serve the entire globe out of Minnesota in the United States. So this is going to be a massive world-class facility. We've invested over 400 million USD into this 3-year project. It's 2.2 million square feet. And to really understand the size of this, you can fit 22 football pitches into the facility just at the base level. And so it's a massive facility. The facility structure is already built. It's in place. We're now implementing software and automation into the facility. It'll launch in September, in a couple of months here coming up. It's all about increasing our capacity, increasing the scalability for Digi-Key as we continue to enjoy this wonderful industry that we're in that's growing. If our service commitment, same day shipment, we have to have inventory on hand to be able to meet that commitment to our customers. So this is exciting for us, and it's going to give us the capacity and the scalability to meet our commitments to our customers.
It's been fascinating hearing about how Digi-Key has been making major strides forwards, even in these very difficult times. Thanks very much for your time today, Jim.